Hey, hi, this is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic name is how to create Azure DevOps Pipeline. The reason behind I come up with this topic because Azure Cloud have like too much demand nowadays. That's why I come up with this topic. And in that, Azure DevOps Pipeline is like you can say hotline for requirements. So first, my first question is, what is Azure DevOps Pipeline? So it is a like a combination of tools, Azure cloud tools. You can utilize all in a single place, and you can write a CI/CD pipeline there easily using this. Okay, and okay, so we will come to actual topic. So for this, what is prerequisite for Azure DevOps Pipeline? So first thing, you should have account on Azure Cloud, and then you need to log in there on Azure DevOps portal. You should have the organization there. If you don't have organization, then you need to create it. And agent should also there for for run your pipeline. This is requirement. And if you don't want to Azure like DevOps repo, then you should have the GitHub account. Then we will come to steps for core pipeline. So these steps generally required for any pipeline you want to create there. So you can create a .NET pipeline, Java, anything you can create, but these core steps required for the same pipeline. And in this, as I mentioned, you need to sign in there on Azure DevOps portal. You need to select your organization. Then you need to choose your project. If project will be not there, you need to create it. Then on a left hand side, you need to choose a pipeline. I will show that graphically as well, but in a next step. First, we will cover the steps what required there. Then go to pipeline, then select new pipeline. Then you need to select type of repo as your repo. Then location of your source code. Uh, that is also important. When you see the list of repositories, select your repositories. So first thing, you need to choose a type, and then you need to select a repository. Then next step is you can choose a template as well. Or if you don't want to choose, you can choose like an empty job as well. Then when your pipeline will be ready, then you can save and run it. Before that, moving to actual thing, you should aware a few concept there in Azure DevOps pipeline. So what is pipeline? It is a workflow, eh, like a combination of test, build, and deployment all together. You can say that. Then stage. What actually stage is? It is a logical boundary. Okay. Then job. So when you start your pipeline, it run as a job. Okay, and it will run on a particular agent. Then step. It is the smallest building block, and it is inside the stages. Then agent and agent pool. Actually, if you have single VM, then it you can say agent, but sometime you need to group it, so you can say agent pools. Group means like there will be multiple VMs inside that pool. Then artifact. Actually, it is a collection of files and package. It is in general terms, artifact is a straightforward meaning. Then we will come to how to actual creation of pipeline. Actually, I'm not logging there directly, but I'm showing graphically. If you have any queries, you can ask me. You can write a question on this YouTube video. Below that, you have comment section. You can ask me any question. Then how to actual creation. So as I mentioned, you need to log in there on Azure DevOps portal. You need to choose your organization, and then from left side, like your left side, there is a pipeline. Okay, you need to click there. There will be two types of pipeline: build and release. So generally, like people start with a build one. Okay, then here you can find a section like a new pipeline. Okay. Then after that, uh, if you want to use, see, there will be two types of pipelines. Okay, I already mentioned. But another thing, like a classical, you want to choose classical or YAML. YAML will be like it is a YAML file, and it will be programmatic. But if you choose a classical view, uh, then like graphically you can create directly. I will show. See, after this, you need to, when you click on new pipeline, there will be option use classical editor. Okay. So I will show that where it is. See here below, use classical editor. And then next step, you can choose a Azure repo Git. This is inbuilt repo of Azure DevOps. After that, uh, here, like when you choose that, here will be some options. Okay, so you need to choose a repository as well as branch name. Then if you don't want to add anything for initially hello world kind of program, then you can choose empty job. See, here is the empty job option, you can choose it. Then next step, you need to choose agent. So you can click on agent and then choose the agent related specification and details. And then you can save and run it. Okay, after this, you can find the details, how like what exactly happened there, what steps involved in, and in this you can find like a few basic steps like initialize job, prepare job, checkout. These things are common. Okay, final job, report build status. So these few stages will be common, and internal, like middle one, yeah, like it will be changed as per your whatever you mention in the pipeline, it will change. Yeah, thanks for your time. And like if you have any queries, you can ask me. And if you want to add some best practices, then also you can add here. Yeah, thanks for your time. Bye bye.